Hi, hello guys. Today we are located in Blanca, that is between Torrevieja and La Mata. It's a really nice area. And we have one bedroom apartment today and I want to show you. As you see behind me, we have a community pool and this apartment has also availability to a community parking. It's only for this building, so you can park your car whenever you want. So this apartment is really nice located because we have a really nice aromatic park. You can walk there. It's nice, spacious, whenever you want to walk with a family or with your dog. But as well, we are close to the beach. So you're walking like in a small 10 minutes, you're on the beach. And now I want to show you the apartment from inside. Let's come on. So when you come in, you will see we are located here in this nice living room. And on this side, you have a nice small renovated kitchen. It's all nice, well done. It's well kept. And I want to show you on this side, we have directly from my side on the left side, a nice bathroom. So on this side, my right side, we have a bedroom. It's a one bedroom apartment, 33 square meters. And here we have directly the front door. And as you see, we have a nice spacious patio from the whole building. It makes like a more Spanish vibe here. We was today in this apartment. It's a one bedroom apartment, 33 square meters, near to the nice aromatic park where you can walk with family or dog. We have a nice community pool here in the back. We have a community parking space, but as well what I want to show you, it's a little bit small, but we have still sea views from the balcony. It's really nice. So as you see, it's not that far from the sea. Price for this apartment is 353,000 euro. It's a nice good price. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel and maybe see you next time on the visit. Bye bye.